Hello, what's up, guys? This is Edge Walker. So this is our processing line. As you can see, we are a factory. So our main job is for produce Giuseppe Zanotti, Gucci Ace collections, and all of Louboutin collections. So now I'm shooting this video. It's just for show you that our quality. So this is the Tiger model, yeah. Okay, and let me take out of the insole, and then let me show you what's the inside. This is insole. This is the size, the Gucci size here. Okay, and see, and this is our Giuseppe Zanotti. A little dirty, but our worker will clean it before sending. So let's move to another side to see. Oh, this is the crystal one, yeah. You can send us some other photo of Louboutin models. We can make it. And every pair of Louboutin, they are 7 days customized. You can see the crystal is very shining. We are using the Swarovski crystal. Okay, so let me tell you again, we are making Gucci Ace, Giuseppe Zanotti, and the Louboutin sneakers. We are the factory. If you got big bulk, big quantity order, please contact me. My WhatsApp number is +8615356018625. This is my WhatsApp number. Remember that, okay? And our factory based in China. So if you want come to China, contact me. This is a rollerboat, pig, and this is our show. I think you must be come to China before, but you must go to the Bayun market, maybe Qingbo market, and but I'm telling you that they all buy from me and sell to you. But what if you can watch this video, then you can order directly from the factory. See? The spikes go lined up straightly, yeah? Alright, so I'm waiting for your call, yeah? See you guys. See you.